I've cleaned and greased the spring and put it back into the bottom plate. We're now going to put the wheels into the movement. The first wheel first goes there. Second wheel. Third wheel. Then we'll put the motion works in. And the cannon on top of that. And then this wheel in here. Actually, it'll go under. Goes on that wheel and that drives that. Now we'll put the top plate on. Sliding down. The escape wheel. Put a nut on it. It'll hold it, stop it moving. You can see what we've got. We can start putting the wheels into place. Everything seems to be pretty close. Right, let's put the wheels in. First wheel. Second wheel. Third wheel. Spin round, see what we've got down here. Go over. We'll put a nut on this. Now we can work up the train again. Just a little bit tight. Now the escape wheel goes in there. Right, there we go. Tighten those down. Another nut on there. Tighten down a little bit. You can now see what we've got. Everything's spinning freely, so we'll go ahead and tighten those nuts down, then we'll oil the movement. Mobius Swiss made clock oil. We'll oil each one of the pivots in turn. They're all sitting in new bushes, every one of these pivots. and a couple of drops of oil on the back of the winding arbor. Turn him over. Now we'll do this side. This is a fine oiler that I'm using, so I'm putting 2 dabs on each pivot. Couple for the winding arbor. One for the click. Now we'll oil the escape wheel. Not picking up very much there. That's looking better. We'll put some oil along the cannon arbor. Then spin it round to move the oil round in each of the pivots. That's running very smoothly after we've rebushed it and oiled it.